Hey, this is me, Mr. Byers, Jeremiah. I'm just gonna instead of typing up an email to explain this to you, I just record this video to kind of make it easier for you to understand your grade and why you made what you made. Okay, so you sent me this email back on the 18th saying not sure why the format came out wrong, but I definitely indented the information after the line with the author's name. And I said, oh, it's okay. It's only messed up in the preview, not in the actual document I download. As long as it is fine in the file when you upload it, your grade won't be affected. So what I meant by that was that I wasn't, when I said not in the actual document I downloaded, I wasn't saying as in like this document that you submitted. I was saying as in when you go to the preview, okay? When you go to the preview, that the way this looks is like this just because of the preview. All right. And so then what I do is I download the actual document that you submit and I grade that. Okay. Which I have right here. Okay. This is the document. And so you see your indentions are not wrong in the document that you sent. So when I replied to you saying that's okay, it's only messed up in the preview, that's what I meant, because the citations are still correctly indented. So like you only commented on the indentions, and what I was saying is that yes, the indentions are correct. Okay. Now when I read this email, I didn't actually look at your work. So all I was focused on was the indentions. I wasn't focused on anything else. Okay. So then you wrote me an email saying that like I took out 20 points. Okay. And you said I formatted all 3 citations like the first one, but when I uploaded it, the formatting was off. So your grade is not because of the indention. Okay. Let's look at this. So already off, I can see that there's the spacing here and the spacing between these lines are off. And I can see that there's different fonts for up there. See, right here, it's Times New Roman. When I click here, it's Calibri. And I also had to figure that out because I can just highlight everything. And when this is blank, that means there's 2 different fonts going on. So it would all need to be all Calibri or all Times New Roman. Also, I noticed that, let's see, I'll go ahead and fix up these, which I know this was not, this just happened when I just adjusted your font. So like I did not take points off of the indentions, okay? I took points off, so first off, because of the fonts were different, okay? So then I'm gonna highlight everything, go to paragraph. You see how this is blank and this is blank? That means that there is 2 different line spacings in your document, and there's 2 different afters. This should be at 0. So just to show you, see when you highlight your heading, we go to paragraph. It says double. Okay, good. And so this should be at 0. You see how it changes it completely. Same thing with this right here. Go to paragraph. Okay. You go to double and 0. See it changes that as well. Okay. So now when I highlight all of it, look, Times New Roman is there, 11 is there, which means that the entire document is Times New Roman. And the entire document is 11. And then when I go to paragraph, it's still not, let's see, 0, double. Okay, there you go. Do you see how it shifted a little bit? So now it should be, yep, okay. Now one more thing. This is not where it's supposed to be. And I know that because look, if I were to go to the next page, okay, page 2 should appear right here. It doesn't though. This is not in the proper place. You type this in rather than inserting it. So let's delete that. We need to go up here to insert. We need to go to page number, top of page. Not that one, not that one, but that one. All right, and then we put your name. Okay, and now your page number is correct because if I were to go down to the second page, look, your name and the page number appear. Okay, so those are the things that you get points taken off of. Okay, it wasn't because of it wasn't because of the indented. I definitely indented the information after the line with the author's name. That is correct. Okay, you lost points because of the spacing was wrong. You get two different fonts there. Page number wasn't correct. Okay. Alrighty. I hope this helps you to better understand your grade. Have a good night.